So I have literally been doing social media brand deals for over a decade, and in that time I have had my fair share of different reps who, you can always tell. You can always tell if someone sees you as a source of income or if they see you as a person. And I'm literally I'm literally about to cry because I feel just so blown away by the way that 42Lolita treats me. As someone who makes videos for them. They're literally so nice to me, and I feel so guilty because they sent me, 2 packages, I think, 2 months ago, and I've been so depressed that I haven't even, opened them yet. And I just got an email from the person I work with from 42Lolita, and she's like, hey, we want to send you, a Christmas present, here's a link so we can send you it. They're literally so nice to me, and I've told the person I collaborate with briefly what's been going on, and she just responds back and she's like, sweetie, take your time, take as much time as you need. Just the actual compassion from this company. Everybody knows I'm already biased and I like them because, they're a great easy resource for Lolita, but I don't know. People being nice to me makes me want to cry, and I'm just very happy that they're so kind to me. Anyways, obvious plug, my discount code is I_forgot_reality. That feels so wrong to throw this in this video.